I think you wired your horn in a little wrong.
It's 2 wires. I backed this off. That is up, man.
Glad it's your side.
What? What the heck? Dude, this thing is a... Swear, I am getting shot.
I'm sure you are.
You get over here. I
I'm
swear,
sure.
that is messed up. I swear I'm getting shot through the freaking leg.
I'm sure you are.
I'm not lying. I'm not freaking lying. Yeah.
No.
So you are, but somehow you're
completing a circuit.
Yeah.
I was right.
This frickin' trunk won't open. 7 years. 7 years this thing has been stuck. But not today. No, 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 not today. We are going to open this trunk. So the trunk's pretty solid. It's also really, really freaking dirty here. But I'll go out, get that new bulb, get that fixed. I am gonna double check it. I'm gonna take this bulb out of here, stick it in there to make sure that everything works as though it should. So I got the boy here helping me out, and we are going through brake lights and tail lights. Well, brake lights are tail lights, duh. Brake lights and regular lights so we can actually get things going. When I finally, we got this trunk open and all that stuff, look at the freaking wiring on this. Yeah, that is pretty freaking horrid. This is just getting it roadworthy. I'm doing extras here, but there's no way he's gonna leave this place without actually having at least some lights and some freaking stop lights. That is the most important thing. But this exposed wire crap, give me a break. Teaching him young, teaching him young.
Yeah.
Well, give me, yeah.
We're trying to scratch the car.
I know. What we're using are these type of butt connectors. I like these because you can actually use the torch down there and then it'll seal it up. It's more of like a weather end butt connector. I like these a whole lot more.
Got the one on.
You getting it?
No, got the one on. One on pretty damn well. That didn't work.
Well, grab the, where are the wire cutters?
Wherever you put them.
There we go. So, cut it right against the edge. Nope, 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 nope. Go as close as you can because we want to keep as much wire as we can.
Yeah.
We're going to use our strippers.
Got your eyes.
No, you should be able to get it. What size gauge do you got?
About 14.
Try it.
That's probably.
Nope, next one down.
It was 14.
Oh, next one down. Look at that! Oh my God! Look at that! Oh, give me that. You're good to go. I'll give you this. There we go. So we'll edit out that beginning portion right there. This is what you should be using. If you don't have this and you got a regular like Ace Hardware style butt connector, hey, you can still do it. You can even put some heat sleeve on it, which I might have some in here. No, I don't. It would just be a sleeve that would fit over if this was not a weather type pack setup. What you would do is just slide the sleeve over it once this is already on, and then you would use the torch and seal it up. But again,
God damn.
okay, so for you guys, I was gonna edit out the first one. This is the second time now he had to do this. So I'm gonna step in, I'm gonna put these little boogers on here.
It fell out. Didn't fall out, it would have been fine.
Uh-huh. But you can't keep cutting that end because you keep making it shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. Yeah. Well, if you know, then why are you doing that?
I can't see.
You can't see. You got glasses on, son.
I can't see it when I'm doing there.
All right. We're going to get these put on one way or another. So we're going to take this little bad boy around the block. I have not driven this thing since we did the power steering, the power brakes, and all that stuff, but I wanted the working taillights. Yes, the tires are crappy. That is why we are not going to be doing more than about 40 miles an hour, and around the block is all of about 2 miles. So, boy's going with me. He hasn't even ridden in one of these things yet, but he wants to get one. So we're going to see if he likes the feel of this thing. Yes, the trunk is drilled out and all that, but you can still close the trunk. You just need a screwdriver to put inside there to break the lock and open it up. So that is safe. I'm not too worried about it. But it looks good outside. Interior turned out nice. I'm digging that. So I'm going to set you guys up. We're going to go for a ride.
Oh, yeah.
That 2-barrel 180 horse intimidation here.
Make sure you're in reverse, not neutral.
I think that's reverse.
Just coasting down the hill.
Oh, but yeah, she's fat.
Well, bet.
But 4th of July, we get to ride in a convertible Mustang. There's nothing wrong with that.
You gonna drive or second?
Drive. Oh, man. That is so much nicer
Than
what
it was?
the horde that it was before. I got this. Well, once we get in the line, I'll ask him to straighten the wheel out because
That's straight?
Well, I wanted to wait until we were actually moving. I had to take a guess at where straight was.
Oh, that's...
Because I was going back and forth in the... I was going like 5 feet forward, 5 feet back, going, I think that's straight. But the brakes don't feel too bad.
That's good.
Well,
Hit them in there, they felt a little stiff.
yeah, they're not terrible. Well, what I don't want to do is just start hitting them hard, because you start blazing them.
Yeah.
But yeah, oh man, yeah. Yeah.
That's straight. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little off. But compared to what it was before, I mean, it needs some shocks. I haven't felt the brakes on the street yet, so. They're not bad.
They stop pretty good.
That's not bad. Holy crap, compared to what they were before, that's way nicer.
I didn't think I could do that.
I wasn't trying to do that.
Well, there's also gravel.
I was gonna say that, yeah. That's what I wasn't trying to do that.
All right. I feel more pep in the place here.
But truthfully, I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, you
No.
hear it doesn't downshift.
Well, they don't have an ECU for it to downshift.
You need an ECU.
You know what I mean?
It's got a cable that's supposed to make it downshift.
Oh, does it actually?
Yeah, they all had that back in the day.
Oh.
Or 5. Yeah, if I had the wheel better, but yeah, I mean, it's...
Ooh, yeah, that's...
Yeah, she goes hard, right? Unbelievable amount of power in this car.
Oh, yeah.
Such a chick magnet back in the day. But it's nice cruising in a convertible. I mean, it really, if you grab the wheel, you feel how hard it is. You just got to keep fighting it. Going right.
Oh, yeah. That's... I mean, the power steering's nice, though. I mean, it feels...
Oh, yeah, I mean, you can... Yeah, it doesn't feel bad. You can feel the body rolling like a son of a bitch, but...
yeah.
Hey, look, Mom, no hands!
Yeah. No, I don't feel bad.
But he should be happy. I mean, with how this thing was driving before, this is a night and day difference. I think once the alignment's done, new tires are put on it, should be good.
Good enough.
Well, stock they'll do a burnout.
Let me get the horn on a little tight. I thought your arm hit it.
No, I turned. Try that again.
If you turn too much, the horn goes. Is one of the spokes hitting it?
Well, I took this and I spun it out.
Did you have it? So it must have been too tight then.
What?
What?
It's like I'm getting electrically shocked through the. Through this.
What? I'm been sitting on it.
So was I.
Is it all the way? Is it when you turn the wheel all the way over? So the power steering. When you touch the horn? It might be the horn. It might be completing a circuit. I think you wired your horn in a little wrong.
It's 2 wires.
I think did you ground it to the pedal?
I backed this off.
That is man. Glad it's your side.
What? What the heck? Dude, this thing is a...
Yeah, I mean, that's just loose wires to your door, I guess.
But there's nothing in the door. There's nothing electrical in the door. It's ground.
Yeah. Talk to Owen and see if it might be
And
because
I felt it.
maybe because the steering column's knocking it. Maybe while the horn's doing it.
Ah, mother! I swear to God.
Dude, I'm
I
fine.
swear to God, I might have you over here. Because this might be just me, like... I swear, I am getting shot.
I'm sure you are.
You get over here. I
I'm
swear. That is messed up. I swear I'm getting shot through the freaking leg.
I'm sure you are.
I know I got a little bit of sweat going on, but that is messed up.
Is it like...
And the temperature gauge doesn't even work.
Exactly the speed on it. I don't know also why I got so dirty. I don't like that.
So just lay your thigh up next to it. Just lay it on there.
Now you got me worried. I'm just gonna.
No, all of a sudden it feels like a not a bee sting, but you'll feel like a little earth. Mess with the horn, kind of unscrew it a little bit, and
Hands are clean. Whoa!
felt it.
Yeah, like a little.
It's like irk.
Yeah, that hit me like. What the? Oh no! I have it. Okay, stop doing it. I had it right. I would go back and it would do it. It's.
I'm not lying. I'm not freaking lying. Yeah.
No.
So you
but
are. But somehow you're
completing a circuit.
Yeah.
I was right.
That's going through your freaking leg,
No, it's just because it's going.
and you're grounding it to there.
Yeah. So you did something to the horn because it might be going this way, but you'd know you feel it in your fingers. So it's starting from here, and then you're completing it that way. Well, because if I do this, can I? I feel like you'd feel it in your fingers.
No, but you don't. If you grab this,
You feel it here. You feel it.
you won't feel it till it hits something.
Yeah.
So you can put your leg against it,
I felt it.
but then just touch that.
It's something. There's something grounding itself. I think in here.
I am done with the electrical work on this freaking car, man.
No, that's weird.
I am done with this shit.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy.
No, that's.
All right, I'm gonna open up that. You might as well bring her in. So, was I lying that I was getting shocked?
Yeah.
No, bullshit. Let's try it again. Was I lying? Why was it getting shocked?
It's grounding itself through the horn. The horn is grounding itself to the steering wheel. Then somehow you'd complete a circuit by touching yourself to the door handle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it was not like a little tickle.
No, I mean that like you felt that.
Yeah, it was like, I was gonna burn a hole in my freaking leg. Where it was like, what the hell? So what me and the boy were thinking, oh, here, let me put this down, was the fact that maybe where the bolts are, that, let me show you this piece. This is a piece that it fits on. We were thinking that this one right here was pretty much right where that bolt is. So we started talking about it, and it was like, it's got to be literally laying itself against there. Do you still have the shitty ones that they had? Yeah, it had these ones on there, And what we're thinking is maybe that these are sliding and you're grounding it out. So what I'm using now is what I would do for the butt connectors and things like that, which is insulated, like heat shrink sleeve. We're gonna put those on there to where they can't slide around and they can't move. We're gonna try it all over again and see if we
You're
get...
trying it.
One of us.
You.
One of us is gonna try it to make sure we're not getting grounded out and we're not frying. Oh, I'm not lying to you guys. This car is a freaking nightmare, man. Okay, since somebody was too chicken and they had to jump out of the car.
Your idea, you try it.
So, it does work. I'm grounded. I'm grounded. That is something I don't want to say when I'm inside of a freaking car. Hey man, I'm grounded. Go ahead and try it. All right. So that ended up working. So we were just having a short with the horn, but I tell you what, man, if you're not ready for it, well, you could see where I kept looking at you like, dude, something's wrong. And it was just like, I don't know if it's me, like I got a pinched nerve or... That's why I was like, William, you got to go over here. And I'm like, oh, okay. And I saw that look on your face when you were like, yeah. But
it didn't shock me out of that.
But when you first did it, though, and all of a sudden it was like, boom, oh, you even did the open mouth like, holy crap, Dad. I was like, yes, I'm not lying. This is as far as we can get. So it's got to go in and go get the alignment and all that stuff done over at Dave at Muffler Man. So there's really nothing more to check out. We are going to be working on the black fastback. We're going to get things moving around there. But we're also going to be doing the reveal to the customer on the Nightmare 68 Mustang as well. So be looking for that video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll know when the video is coming out. So till we meet again, my friends, I will see you on the next one. Take care. Happy 4th of July. Woo!